Here is lesson 141 for phonics. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. When I saw the spider on my foot, I yelled loudly. How did I yell? Loudly. Yelled is the verb. Loudly describes the verb. Loudly is an adverb. Read the sentences. The sun shone brightly. Write the verb and the adverb. Shone is the verb. Brightly is the adverb. The wind blew gently. Blew is the verb. Gently is the adverb. The deer grazed quietly. Grazed is the verb. Quietly is the adverb. The mountain goats climbed nimbly. Climbed is the verb. Nimbly is the adverb. We watched happily. Watched is the verb. Happily is the adverb. Number 2, read the sentences and add your own adverb. Hint, many adverbs end in the suffix ly. We ate our picnic. How did we eat? Hurriedly or slowly? Pick a word to describe how we ate. Slowly. A chipmunk chattered. How did he chatter? Quickly, softly, loudly. Pick a word to describe chattered. A blue jay scolded impatiently or loudly. Pick a word to describe scolded. The river splashed. How did the river splash? Violently or softly? Pick a word to describe splashed. Number 3, how many ways, let me move this down. How many ways can you speak? Those ways are adverbs. Write them on the lines below. I speak politely. You could do the antonym, rudely. Hopefully you don't speak rudely. That would be awful. I speak kindly. I speak gently. I speak softly. You pick some words. Rudely was not a nice word to describe how I speak. All right, dictation. Jack walked slowly down the stairs. Jack walked slowly down the stairs. I'll go grab another pen. Don't forget the period at the end. What is the verb? Walked. What is the adverb? Slowly. Circle the adverb. The adverb describes how he walked. Write the words for each picture, then write a word that rhymes. Fire, wire, cherry, berry, hair. This one is hair. You could write chair. Bear. Pick a word that rhymes with bear. Number 2, read the paragraph. Write the red words from the paragraph under the correct special sounds below. Ear in ear, air in bear, air in care, air in cherry, in earth, air in carry, air in hair. So you need to put each of the red words underneath which one is correct. Cross out the words that are not nouns. Remember, nouns are people, places, or things. Is a hive a person, place, or thing? Yes, it's a thing. Songs. Are songs people, places, or things? Yes, songs are things. There are a few words here that are not people, places, or things. Like, for example, there's some verbs here. If it's a verb, then you need to cross it out. If it is a word that is not a verb, but it's not a person, place, or thing, then you need to cross it out. Only nouns should be there without being crossed out. Everything else should be crossed out. All right. 281 is seat work. I'm going to have you do this whole page by yourself. Write the 2 tens. Circle the number it rounds to. 33 is between blank and blank. We'll do the first one together. 33 is between 30 and 40. Which one does 33 round to? Well, find the halfway mark. What's in between 30 and 40? 35. 33 is lower, so 33 rounds to 30. See, I circled the number it rounds to. All right. Number 2, number 3, you can do those by yourself. Number 4, Grandma and Grandpa are going camping with their grandchildren. Each of the 6 children is bringing a winter jacket and a light jacket. How many jackets are the children bringing all together? There's 6 children, and they are each bringing a winter jacket and a light jacket. So they're each bringing 2 jackets. So 6 children times 2 jackets each equals how much they have all together. And then go ahead and do the bottom. Estimating sums. To estimate the sum of 2-digit add-ins, round each add-in to the nearest 10. 21 rounds to 20. 28 rounds to 30. The estimated sum is 50. 20 plus 30 is 50. Here we go. 49 plus 22. It doesn't say to answer it. Or to figure out the answer. It says to estimate it. 49 rounds to, it's between 40 and 50. It's above 45, so it rounds to 50. 22 rounds to, does it round to 20 or to 30? 22 rounds to 20 because it's under 25. The estimated sum is 70. 15 rounds to, does it round to 10 or does it round to 20? It rounds to 20 because the halfway mark is 15, so the halfway mark or above rounds up to the next 10. 14 rounds down because it's lower than the halfway mark. It's lower than 15, so it rounds down to 10. 20 plus 10 equals 30. Letter C, 67 rounds to, It's between 60 and 70. It's above 65, so it rounds up to 70. 11 rounds to. It's between 10 and 20. It's below the halfway mark of 15, so it rounds down to 10. The estimated sum is 80. 70 plus 10 equals 80. 22 rounds to. Does it round to 20 or does it round to 30? It rounds to 20 because 22 is lower than the halfway mark of 25. 55 rounds to, or not 55, 56 rounds to 60. Why does it round to 60? Because the halfway mark of 56 is higher than 55. So it rounds up to 60. 20 plus 60 equals 80. 6 times 0, 5 times 6. All of these you can do by yourself. Number 3. Let's do number 3 together. Circle 1/3 of the wildflowers Jenny and Emily saw at the campground. In order to circle 1/3, you need to circle 1 out of 3. Here are 3. Circle 1 of them. Here are 3 more. Circle 1 of them. 3 more. Circle 1 of them. 3 more. Whoa, it would be easy to make a mistake here. There's 3 here. That's right. 1, 2, 3. That's right. Let's not forget about this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I circled 1 out of that 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's check and make sure we did it right. There's 3 here, so I circled 1 of them. There's 3 here, so I circled 1 of them. There's 1, 2, 3 here, so I circled 1 of them. And there's 1, 2, 3 here, so I circled them. There's 3 here, so I circled 1 of them, and there's 3 here, so I circled 1 of them. Of the 12 elk the children saw on Tuesday, 4 were females. How many male elk did they see? Well, we would have to find out. There'd be 12 total. So if there's 12 total, and then they already saw 4 of them were females, then we would need to subtract to find out how many males they saw. So 12 minus 4 equals 8, and the label is males. There you go. 12 minus 4 equals 8 males.